Yes, your boy bought more Nvidia stock at 180 bucks a share. I think we're going higher here, guys. It might not be tomorrow, it might not be the day after, but I think Nvidia is going well over 200 bucks a share. So I want to break down where I bought, talk a little bit more about that. We'll cover the charts here, and we'll go over some other stocks, some other names here like AMD. I got a lot of questions on AMD, SMCI, a couple other ones, TSM. So yeah, hit the like button, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Join the Patreon for my portfolio updates, my private Discord, which I actually just posted a big update to the portfolio today. So if you're interested, no pressure, obviously. It's linked down below, also pinned in the comments, or go to stassurfest.com/Patreon. And now let's get into it, man. So we had a very nice day across the board today in the stock market. Nvidia went up about 0.75%. It was actually up more. Earlier in the day, we hit $186 at the peak, and every index went up. S&P about 0.5%, Dow 0.6%, Russell and the NASDAQ each 0.75% up, and again, Nvidia about 1% in the green here, and at the peak, it was at, let's see, we hit about 186, so we were up at 1.5%. And the key here, guys, is forget about 0.8, 1%, whatever, right? Who gives a crap? The key is we took the highs out from yesterday, and we closed above the closing price from yesterday. That's a good sign. We're building subtle higher highs, higher lows here. We're starting to reverse. And I added more yesterday. I forget if I mentioned that, to be honest. I think I might have mentioned that in my video yesterday, but I rebalanced a little bit. I actually sold out of Circle Internet Group, took a little loss there, and I put more money, or I took that money, put some more into Nvidia. I actually added more Amazon as well, two of my core holdings. And yeah, the fact that we took out the highs from yesterday and the day before, the fact that we're starting to push the mid 180s, that's a good sign on the charts here, and we're not fully breaking out yet. Let's not get too excited because we're still technically in this downtrend on the hourly chart, but I think that's not going to last much longer, guys, honestly. I think it's going to change pretty soon here, maybe after big tech earnings, especially after Nvidia reports their earnings. So yeah, we're still in this downtrend, whatever you want to call it, on the 1 hour chart, but I don't think it's going to last, as you guys can see here. And the more you pull the layers back, the more you kind of realize, okay, Nvidia has been consolidating. We all know that. We're now one break away from this thing going berserk, right? And we see the writing on the wall with the inverse head and shoulders that we've called out many, many times here. You guys see it with the left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder. So you're noticing that, but we just have to get the confirmation, which is going to come above, I would say, 190, 195. Once we start building momentum into the 190s, I think this could start to build. The momentum could build pretty fast from there. So yeah, man, it's my biggest individual stock. It's been that for a good little bit now. I was buying heavily in March, April of last year, and I think now we're gearing up for the next big move after consolidating for a good 6 months now, 5-6 months. So Nvidia, I'm buying it. I'm smashing the buy button there. Not for much longer. Once it gets up to 190, I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm just going to hold at that point. AMD, a lot of questions about AMD, especially on the charts here. So we called out this triple bottom breakout. You guys probably remember at about $200 a share, which wasn't that hard to call out. I mean, look, we obviously have had a lot of momentum in AMD. It ripped out of 185, back in October when we got the big news back then, right? So we ripped through and we then pulled back, obviously, as you can see here, and we held that old resistance at 185, 190. We held it as support. In fact, we held like 195, 200 as support. So above that old resistance, we held it. And then just literally about a week or two ago, AMD started to rip again from 200 Now we're in the mid 200s. We're at 250. We took out the highs from earlier in January. And yeah, momentum's pointing towards all-time highs on this stock. Right, we're pretty much right there. You can see back in early mid-November and the end of October, we peaked at about 260. Right, we hit 272 at one point. So I think, yeah, we're pretty much back at 260 now. It is close to all-time highs. I think we touch all-time highs. But at the same time, we are a little overbought. You got to keep that in mind. When we look at Nvidia versus AMD, obviously, AMD is a much smaller company. They're trading at like a 400 billion market cap. I think 380, roughly. And obviously, Nvidia is like 4.5 trillion. So AMD is much smaller, a 10th, a 12th of the market cap of Nvidia. And a lot of people buy AMD because they think, oh, one day they're going to be as big as Nvidia. Will they? They might. Who knows? But believe it or not, at this point, Nvidia, at least on a PE basis, even though it's 10 times bigger than AMD, Nvidia on a PE basis is still cheaper than AMD. Think about that. Last I checked, AMD's forward PE was in the mid-high 30s. I think their trailing PE is over 100. And Nvidia's forward PE is like a 24. The trailing might be in the mid-high 30s, maybe 40s, right? So it's like, yeah, Nvidia is a much bigger company. AMD's obviously, it could have more runway, who knows? But Nvidia is still trading at a cheaper valuation just based off the PE. Isn't that crazy? It's pretty crazy, I know. And I used to own both stocks. I used to own AMD. You guys probably know that. I mean, a lot of you have been watching me for a while. We were buying AMD at 60, 70, 80 bucks a share, all in this dip right here, right? Well, maybe not 60, more like in the 70s, 80s, 90s, 100, right? 120, 150, you name it. I was buying AMD all the way down here, right? I think the lowest I bought was at 85 to 90-ish. And I got out of it at about like 165 something ish a share. Kind of bad timing there, right? Right before we got that huge pop, but I still made a lot of money on AMD, guys. And at this point, yeah, it could go higher. It could be gearing up for that breakout through 270, no doubt. And at that point, it could be going 300 on that next leg up. That could be what this is, consolidation. But how much more could it go? I mean, yeah, it could get to $1 trillion, but it's overvalued compared to Nvidia. Not saying momentum won't continue. I think it easily could. But for me, at this point, I'm in Nvidia, and that might be a mistake. But hey, we'll see. We'll see which ones do better or which stock does better in 2026, AMD or Nvidia. I think it's going to be neck and neck, but I think I got to give the edge to Nvidia, to be honest. I got to be honest, man, because it's coming into the year, consolidating for 5-6 months. The fundamentals look pretty good. I think we're going to get that push after earnings. We shall see, though. So let's do another one here. Let's do TSM. TSM's pulling back a little bit, guys, which makes sense. The company reported earnings. It's popped all the way to 350. Now we're down to 327. I think we could see some more downside. I think this could come down 310, 315, right by the 180 SMA here, right around the resistance that we hit for months. We were struggling to break through 310, right? So I think we might have a little more downside on TSM, and that would be an interesting buy the dip there on TSM at about 300, 310. So what do you guys think? I'm going to wrap it up here. I don't want to keep going too long today, but yeah, we covered it. Nvidia, AMD, a little bit on TSM here. Let me know your thoughts. Which stocks would you rather own? Nvidia, AMD? I'm curious. Let me know down below. Hit the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Join the Patreon for my real portfolio updates, my private Discord. All of that is linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day.